Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will cover the trade execution for the stocks which I have created position on yesterday. Before that, let's take a glimpse on Nifty 50 first. If you look at Nifty 50, as we have discussed last day, right? So this gap is still pending. Okay, so the level is like 25,000. You can see the level here when I hover the mouse to this horizontal line. Right corner, it shows 25,650 change, right? So there is a gap between 25,650 and 25,750. This 100 points has to get covered first, then only we can decide whether the direction is going to be an upside or downside. Okay, so multiple factors will constitute Nifty 50's performance. As we know, the global cues and also this Indian news or economy, right? So since it has raised very quick, right? So it's been consolidating past 1 month or more, and we saw some surge. Okay, because this surge has happened technically, like to face this resistance, so we have to wait and watch how the Nifty 50 is going to perform. Okay, with that said, let's move on to our stock execution analysis. The first one is APLL Limited, Alembic Pharma. So if you remember, we have created a position. I have clearly explained in yesterday's trade video. We bought and created the position at the level of 1026. Okay, you can see the numbers at the right corner. Okay, 1026 somewhere here during the market closing hour, right? So after that, what happened? I told yesterday clearly, like I'm expecting the stock at least will show 1 to 2% today. I was expecting the resistance level it would face would be like 1052 or 1050 levels, right? Exactly, it came up to this level. You can see it. I maximize when I maximize, you can see it. Okay, let me drag it. So today's very first 5 minutes candle, you can see the time stamping below. When I hover the mouse, you can see the bot at the bottom, right? So 1st of July 9:15. So you can see this long wick, right? The standing line here, right? So exactly it came up to 1052 level. Okay, but I was fearing because as we know, Nifty yesterday it was a consolidation with a negative bias, and today also it's the same case. So I wanted to book the profit when we are in a profit around like 1.5 or close to 2%. So I booked my profit at the price level of 1044. Here we made 1.75. Okay, close to 2% profit. After that, you can see the stock started kind of consolidating, I would say, and even there is a fall. So let me switch to 1 day candle. The day candle, if you see in this day chart. Okay, so yesterday it was a green with a huge wick. The volume was fantastic. I was telling you, like, it has made a historical volume, but that is not enough, because sometimes the same day profit booking can happen, the next day also it can happen, then after a few days again it will show its reversal direction. So all depends upon the candle formation, basically the price action, what price action sentiment is forming here. So based on that, we have to take a call. Okay, so you can see the resistance somewhere here and here. So it is trading close to the resistance. Basically this is happening from past 1.5 month or more. So we have to wait and watch, and also it has formed a really a beautiful cup pattern. You can see this bottom, rounding bottom you can call, and if you consider, let me draw it for you. So yeah, take this tool. You can see it here. There is on rounding bottom, correct? It has formed, then it is kind of an handle. It is forming. So once it breaks this level, okay, technically I'm talking about around like a 1040 level or more, then we can expect a surge here, from here. Okay, from that level of 1040. Okay, if this surge happens, then definitely it will face this resistance at around like let me switch to the other tool. So around like 1126, so say 1120, around like 7 percentage. Okay, yeah, this we can expect if it technically breaks it. Okay, so we have to take a look how the stock is going to perform on tomorrow. If there is a surge with a good volume, then definitely as per the technical analysis, yes, we can expect it. Okay, but anything can happen in the market. Okay, so there is no any guaranteed in the stock market. Okay, so with that said, let's move on to next stock. The next stock is IPL. Yes, this stock also we have created a position yesterday. I was telling you, like during the market closure hour, we bought the stock around at the price level of 223.7 or 223.6, I think so. So then I explained that I'm holding this stock for tomorrow, because there was a good surge. Then it's kind of an a profit booking has happened, and moreover in day wise chart it is trying to break this resistance. It has made the resistance around this level to 33 level. So once it breaks, okay, then definitely we can expect a surge. So it is taking some time, because in order to break the level or to surge further, what happens, the market news also should be good, means the market should perform well, the nifty 50 basically. Okay, so I'm just waiting for it, and in between, if I get an opportunity during the day, then I will try to book the profit if I'm in a profit zone. So it gave a surge. So in the very first candle itself, I have booked at the price level of 225.9. So here I have made 1%. Stock went as high as 228. Initially my plan was 2%, but since there was kind of a volatility at the first 5 minutes, let me increase the screen size so you can see this candle. Okay, like huge wick here, and the bottom side also between the body. So I don't want to miss the opportunity, so I book the profit, because anything can happen when the market condition is not really good. Moreover, nifty 50 is not really trading in a green territory. So I booked the profit, and after that, yeah, it went one more percentage. From there, there was a correction, so there was no miss. So again, I bought the stock around at this level of 221.7. Yeah, somewhere here, this level. Then I got an opportunity to sell it off at 225 levels. Okay, here we made like 1.2 percentage. So totally 2.2 percentage profit we have made with the same stock. Okay, otherwise the stock, okay, pretty much there is nothing wrong with the stock, I would say. With respect to the surge or performance, it is in sync with the nifty 50's performance. When you switch back to day wave chart, you can see it is consolidating in this zone. Okay, when it breaks this level, this top horizontal level, this one we have discussed yesterday also, right? So when it breaks, then definitely we can expect a momentum. Okay, the very first resistance would be around 240 levels, then 245 or 248 levels. Okay, even we have discussed it yesterday clearly. It is facing resistance in the same price level. So once it breaks, then we can expect around like yeah, 5 to 8 percentage. Both APL and IPL, and even one more stock is there for your study purpose. Look at KPA Green, which we have discussed during, I think, if I'm not wrong, yeah, yesterday or a day before the day, during the weekly analysis. KPA Green also looking bullish. Okay, so the levels which we have discussed, yeah, it's shown by today itself. So once it breaks its resistance level, so most of the stocks, if you look at different stocks, especially from mid cap sector, yeah, especially mid cap and small cap sectors like energy or pharmaceutical. Okay, they are close to its prior resistance level. Okay, once it breaks, once there is a good news, then definitely these stocks will surge. So if, I can personally think like if nifty 50 is going to break its all-time high, which is like 26,200 plus level, then definitely all these stocks is going to surge. Okay, yeah, with that said, let's move on to the next stock. So today we have created a position on Railtel. I saw the stock made today high of a 434 level. From there was a correction, and I was trading the stock last week and last to last week also, a couple of weeks, and it is giving a swing low high, the range of like 2%. So it is kind of an intraday perspective. It is really doing good, so we can easily make 1% or more. So today I got an opportunity. I bought the stock around 2, yeah, 424.5 level. Yeah, I think this candle. Okay, to yeah, 424.5 level, somewhere here. When I bought the stock, I aimed for 1.5 percentage. It came up to 240, yeah, 429 level, 428.95. Okay, then I updated my target price to 429, but it came up to 428.95, just by zero point 0.5, zero point 0.05 points. I missed to book the profit. I was expecting again it will correct, I mean consolidate, and it will show some surge, because this level, this swing high somewhere here, like 429.5 levels, I was expecting, but it didn't happen. It's okay, because it is the same story with other stocks also. It is kind of consolidating, which is in sync with the nifty 50 and mid caps nifty. Okay, so tomorrow I'm expecting again the stock will surge definitely for 1 point or 1.5 percentage. The reason behind is very simple. You can see resistance here, the swing high it has made here, it has made here, here. So it is trading kind of a channel. Okay, if I show you, you can easily see it. Okay, so let me draw it for you. Yeah, it is trading in this channel. Okay, so relatively trading this channel from past few days or more. Okay, even if I go, yeah, from starting from 24th of June onwards, from 1 week or more, it's trading the same zone. So when it breaks, then definitely there is a potential for the stock to go up. Okay, and moreover, since the stock has posted its a quarterly result, means last quarter results, Q4 results, the stock has shown some performance, and again there was a profit booking. Some consolidation is happening. Nothing wrong with the stock. Even if you look at this stock, see here also you can see it is forming a rounding bottom. Yeah, the you can see it, right? So rounding bottom. Okay, then I think it is gonna form kind of a cup, then again it will go further up. Okay, it all depends upon the market condition and also stock specific price action. So we have to wait and watch how all these stocks, whatever we have discussed a couple of days, is going to perform. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much about today's stock analysis. So if you have any question, please reach me out. I'm happy to help you guys. See you in my next video. Till then, thank you and bye.